So for a designer to turn a client brief into a 2D plan, a 3D model, it would take them 3 weeks, maybe 3 grand, 3K from a freelancer with $1,000 per revision. So it's a very expensive process. And we're helping them to do this in seconds. Here's the prototype that we're showing. So we go from this text prompt here. We've already generated the schematic. We have all the project data associated with that for each room. We have the floor plan, which we'd expect. Normally this is drawn by hand. We can input this as well. And from here, we're generating the BIM, which is the building information model, or the CAD document, which you typically associate and you may be familiar with, and the world model as well, which is brand new on the market. And we believe that, so let me just show you the BIM for now. Now for us, the difference or the value add from a world model to just a static BIM or a CAD model is the dynamism of it. So this represents a dynamic simulation, whereas a BIM we're seeing here is just static data. And the dynamic simulation could therefore incorporate things like lighting, the feel of the space, the function, and the underlying physics as well. So there's more of a dynamic nature to its simulation. So yeah, we have the classic CAD modeling here. It's pretty primitive, but this is what we're showing initial, potential customers, and we'll be looking to add more classic CAD functionality to it as well that you might associate to be able to manipulate it. But this shows that you can go from the text to the CAD drawing pretty fast. And then if we go to the world model, which I'll show you right now, which is here. And as you can see, it's very interactive. It feels like a video game. We can move through it, and it's rendered all the objects within this room here as well. Now you can imagine if we have a critique of maybe this area, that we can then update or iterate upon our underlying model or a CAD model as well. And this is a much more foolproof way to make sure that the environmental aspects and the intuitive aspects of design are there too. So yeah, we can see here, and an interesting thing to note is that if we zoom out, or we take a step back, we can see the kind of, it will take a little while to render, but we can see the outline of the shape that we were looking at before. And we can imagine a world in which this 3D model this world model is the basis for design iteration as well. So we maybe can highlight this section, look to improve it in certain ways. So yeah, that's an overview of the platform that we've built so far, and I hope it illustrates the power of world models as the future of CAD.